Good morning from a very sunny Paddington station in London. Hang on. Hi, my name's Mike. I shoot travel videos and like to talk about the camera gear I use to make the travel videos. And today's episode, I'm going to be talking about this guy, GoPro Fusion 360 camera, and whether or not it's still worth picking one up in 2019. Right then, let's do this. Good. Right, there we go. That's more than enough B-roll to showcase the perspective possibilities that are included in the GoPro Fusion camera. And in answer to the question which I put at the beginning of all of this, is the GoPro Fusion camera still worth buying in 2019? My answer is 100% yes. Absolutely. It is still by far my most enjoyable camera to work with in terms of getting unusual perspectives and also capturing every aspect of the shot. So if I'm not sure where I want to point the camera, the GoPro Fusion 360 camera is a great choice for that, because I can decide later when I'm editing in post and also extract more than one perspective from each of the shots, which is great. And I love the fact that it comes with its own pole, but I actually have started to use a shorter pole for when I want to make it even more travel friendly. So this now goes in my pocket quite easily, or I can fold it that way. But always remember to have it completely straight underneath the camera, and that way the pole will be completely invisible. I'll also link the 2 other videos I've got in connection to the GoPro Fusion camera in terms of how I actually download the footage, how I actually extract those shots that I'm using. So there's no point going through that now because I've already done that. So check out one of the 2 videos linked in this section below. They will basically show my first impressions and then how I work with the camera. So check those out as well. And also on my journey today, I did actually spot that you can pick this camera up for as little as £359, which when I first bought this guy, it was $700 and about 600 and something pounds in the UK. So that considered, this is now quite a bargain. See that? £359 in Dixon's Travel in Heathrow Terminal 3. Go check it out. And to the staff there on my commission. Anyway, I hope that's been useful for anyone out there who's thinking about getting one of these cameras. In case I didn't introduce myself earlier, my name's Mike, I shoot travel videos and I like to talk about the camera gear I use to make the travel videos. As always, if you enjoyed this episode, give us a thumbs up. If you're new here and you like this kind of content, consider subscribing and stick that little bell on. Ding ding ding. And I will see you in the next one. See ya.